ba ka no re se ba nyaka go se dia ba se die mara ngwana mma a boloke magopeng a ska ya silicon nna ke a gana ka mo ka re ne le re a gana gore a ya a boloke ke ba tlogolo ba o ke ngwetse ya ka o ke motlogolo o ke ngwana bana ba tamela ke ditlogolo tsa a re dumela
a tla bolokwe ka mo ibile ntle le family ka moka ka sa mothabo ka moka batho ka moka ba re botšiša ka difounu le boloka mo wena a re re ene mara ka tshwanelo re nyaka bolokwe gona ka mo mmaga tšholeng ka go
mosadi wa monyetseng 6 months
a tsebege ka ga gone wa mo tsebang ka
nna le gore o tlo nyala
le gana ka mogae a tseba
a go tsebe motho
a sanka gata ka
basadi ka moka ba sputla ba tšere motho o ba o tseba
ka moka
ba o tseba ka moka ga bona motho o ba o tseba
ba sputla
ba ba nyetseng ba o tseba ba go tseba ka mo wa nyala ba re ke mogao wa mo legae la batho wa go tseba motho jale
se re makatjang
o ngwana semenya a ke motsebe
ngwana semenya o no tswella kwa tswella o ka godimo ga bommane ka gore o ne tšhalete ka gore o ka ra ANC ke mo kgwetse gore o tshwanetse a tla iše rena a tla re tla iše ka gore re tshokotse a gore kgopela gore na a re fe stopo sa rena e se mo were sephetho se re tlo se tšea e tlo ba sephetho se se sa lokang re a kgopela ka re sephetho se re o se tšeang o tlo kgwetsa gore le mmušo o tlo kgwetsa gore o re bona molao ka re tlo feleletša re dire sephetho se o kgwetse gore a se a loka ge re o bitša batho ba le ba itlamo e le ba ka tla motloko a gone wa sa monyatša ka re o tumišitše mothapo ka lebitso le ba reng ke Kenneth Machar mothapo e godimo ka ga bakeng la gae beno ma motho a mothuše gore tlabile lebelela gore batho ba dutse ka lebakeng la o tla iša batho ba swantse ba dule ba ntšha meego ba re ngwana ona o ka re a gone motho a mo tsebang mo re tsewa re o tla bodutibatswa ka lerato a ya ka lerato mo a robalang le babang go sasa ra kgona go tseba gore ai a re o bona malome a rena gale re sa mmone e re o bona malome o bona morulelang ke ya batho bafe ke ya mabudu a la gala diapartheid bona ba lebeletse go tsamaya ka dikoloi
bona ba lebeletse gore bo kry challenge nna a rena taba le go benefit
Hello everyone, Ngiyanutshisana and welcome to my channel. So that was the family of legendary actor Siputla Sebogodi speaking exclusively to Daily Sun. According to the family, the actor unfortunately passed away in the early hours of last week, Wednesday, 15 July 2026, at a hospital in Mokopane after allegedly suffering complications related to diabetes. They said they were informed that he had collapsed while working on one of his projects in Limpopo. The family gave an exclusive to Daily Sun this past Monday from their family home in Ramotabo outside Mankweng in Limpopo. The family expressed that they are devastated after allegedly being denied to see Siputla's body. The family also indicated that there's a dispute over where the late actor should be laid to rest. They want Siputla to be buried at the family's burial site at Mahopeng Cemetery, where his late mother, Anna Sebogodi, is buried. They insisted that they are not fighting with anyone but simply want their brother to be buried alongside his mother. But the family alleges that Siputla's wife of 6 months and his children want him buried at Silicon Cemetery in Polokwane. They further claim they were unaware of the marriage and do not know how it came about. Speaking on behalf of the family, Siputla's sister Mary Gao said they've been denied the opportunity to view their brother's body. She said she did not even get the chance to perform her family's rituals for him. She went on to affirm that they don't care about money, they just want him to be buried next to their mom. She concluded by saying he loved them and they loved him. He also loved the people of Ramotabo, the village. Siputla's nephew Franz Sebogodi added that there will be no peace if his uncle is not buried at the rightful site. Look, at the end of the day, what matters is where did Siputla say he wants to be buried when he was still alive? Did he want to be buried in that village? As for the wife being married to Siputla for about 6 months, not knowing the family and the family home in Ramotabo, that was Siputla's choice and responsibility. The article says the wife and his children want him to be buried in Silicon Polokwane. So all of this doesn't really sound unfair because the new wife and Siputla's children seem to be in agreement of where he should be buried. This will only be unfair if Siputla himself has communicated time and time again to his children, to his sister, and anybody that cares that he wants to be buried in the village Ramotabo, and the wife is now doing the opposite. But it doesn't sound like that's the case because his children are not opposing the burial. Anyway, an official poster with the dates for the memorial service and the funeral was released this past Monday. 2 memorial service events are going to be held, one at State Theatre in Pretoria tomorrow the 23rd of July, another one in Polokwane at Jack Bottas Hall on the 24th of July, which is Thursday. The funeral service is going to be in Polokwane at Jack Bottas Hall this Saturday the 25th of July, and the burial at Silicon Cemetery also in Polokwane. I think what the wife can do out of Ubuntu would be to provide transport for Sputla's family in the village Ramotabo so that they can be able to attend services that will be happening in Polokwane. Anyway, do let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you so much for watching.